start receiving payouts by bank transfer, you'll need to fill in your bank details in your extranet. You can do this by going to the Finance tab and clicking on Bank Details in the menu. This will take you to the Bank Details overview page. Then, click on Add Bank Details. Before you can start filling in your bank details, we'll need to verify that it's you. You can request a verification code from us by SMS or through a phone call. From the drop-down menu, select a number linked to your bank account. Once you have received the code, enter it in the next page and you'll be taken to the bank details form. Make sure you enter the correct information to avoid any delays in transferring your payouts. After you've entered your bank details, click the Update Bank Details button to store this information. You can always edit your details at a later stage by clicking on the Edit Bank Details button in the Bank Details overview page. Once you're done, you are now ready to start receiving payouts by bank transfer.